Hi guys, this is Infomile. So in the last video, I got it right here. We did the Python basics variables part 1 where we did variables and rules of variables. Then I asked what a variable is and we did the variables. Then we did what are the rules, what we can and cannot do by using a variable. So that's it. So that was that. So in this video, I'll be doing, of course, as I did variables part 1 earlier, we'll be doing variables part 2. Let me just write Python basics. As the sprint program, variables all come in the basics of Python. So let's start. In this part, I'll be showing you what kind of values we can put in variables. For example, let's see. Okay, kinds of values. And kinds of values, we can have sentences, or can we have words, or can we have numbers. So let's find out. So you may have seen here that I have put alpha meaning alphabet and numbers meaning numeric. So I've put alphanumeric values here, I've put numbers here, I've put two words in a row here, and yes, I have also put a number and a word and a number simultaneously. I've also put and in between them. So right, this video is going to be a bit short, as I'm just going to tell you what kind of values you can put. We can have, let's see, starting. Let me put the variable starting point. I'll give then equals to sign, and I'll put two quotation marks. You can also add brackets if you want, but it's not necessary. So I'll be writing start, and when I print starting point, I'll run the code. It will ask me to save. I'll go to documents and I'll say variables, kinds of text in variables .py. It's not necessary to write .py. Windows can also automatically do that. So I press the button stick. So when I get the starting point, the result, it will be start. So I can also put other stuff. For example, I'll do starting point 1, and I write the two quotation marks, and I'll say let's start, and I'll be running it, but I forgot to do print let's start. Sorry, I forgot to do print starting point 1. So I'll do print starting point 1. You can also do _1, but it's also understandable without having an underscore. So I'll just run the script, and I've got let's start. So I've got two letters in a row, I've got one word. I can also do it further. I did starting point 2 is equals to, I'll be just putting the quotation marks as it doesn't really matter. And I'll say the race has started. But you'll see that I have not put any underscores here. And I remember saying that you have to put underscore in variables. Actually, We don't have to put underscores in the information. You only have to put underscores in the variable name. We can have this whole sentence without putting unnecessary underscores. Underscores are only necessary in the variable name. So you can see start, let's start, and I forgot to do print. I'll just print starting point 2, and the race has started. You can also put an exclamation mark, or I can do another thing. Mind blowing. So I can have, I'll just copy it for further uses. I can have, I was amazed. I can print it. I can also do mind blowing 1, which is I was so amazed that my eyes started to roll. And we can add just dollars, dollars, dollars. So let's see if putting dollars, 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 if I put the $3 signs, will it work? I'll just see. We'll see by printing it. Okay, so what's this? I'll print it, mind blowing, and I'll do print mind blowing 1, and I run. So you can see that I can also have dollars, dollars, dollars here, and then I can say I can have a variable like my money, and I'll write $10, 10 from this coin box is mine. So when I write this, let's see if it gets printed. But I haven't written the print statement, so I'll write print as well. Print my money. And when I run it, so you can see that $10 from this coin box is mine. So I've got all, so in this information you can write uh, every kind of students. You can have icons like dollars and icon and the percentage icon. We can have gaps in it without putting unnecessary underscores. We can have an exclamation mark. We can have punctuations. So it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'll just correct the spelling. So you can see that here. If so, there it's very easy. You can write any kind of information when we're putting information to the variable. So that's all for this topic, and my next video will be coming soon. So that's all for now.